So on this Chevy C10 project, because it does have a twin turbo LS motor in it and a racing chassis, the client wanted some seats in there that will go ahead and make sure he stays put in there. So we got some Braum racing seats. These are the Viper X seats, and we're gonna go ahead and strip those down. Julio's gonna go ahead and take those stripped down seats. We're gonna get some leather on there. We're gonna add some Alcantara accents. Keeping the same kind of stitch design, but we're gonna make it, again, give it that modern luxury feel to it, but make it safe for him to drive as well because of the horsepower. You tune in this Sunday at 8 p.m. on POWERtube TV.